Vegas startup scene, I'm Jason LeDuc, and this is your rundown for what's happening in the Southern Nevada tech ecosystem for the week of June 2nd, 2025. In news, Startup Vegas is kicking off their ScaleUp mentorship program this week. It runs for 5 weeks from June 4th through July 2nd, culminating in their Level Up Pitch Night on July 31st. ScaleUp helps startups refine the core of their business by dissecting every layer of their company to prepare to pitch to investors. The program covers things like problem solution fit, developing a minimum viable prototype, go-to-market strategy, business models, and preparing to pitch. If it sounds like something you want or need, check out the link in the notes. Also, coming up right after 4th of July, our Vegas ecosystem will be holding Freedom Week, focused on veteran entrepreneurship. Some of the Freedom Week events include the debut of Vet Talks, a TED Talk-like event with veteran speakers, a pitch night for veteran-owned startups hosted by Gathering of Angels, and a Vets in Tech VetCap event where veteran entrepreneurs can learn about different options to acquire capital for their businesses. More to follow on all of these as they get closer, but if you want more information, just reach out to me at info@leducleadership.com. On May 28th, Gathering of Angels saw pitches from startups BUBBL, SONOFii, NanuSense, CoachBank, and Gold Leaf Investment Fund. The next Gathering of Angels is scheduled for June 25th. Also on May 28th, the Pass Casino on Water Street hosted Tech Alley Henderson. I didn't make it to this one, so if anyone has any news about it, let me know and we'll get it in the next episode. If you're looking to attend the June event, check out the Tech Alley website or the meetup group. Links are in the notes. Some things coming up this week. Fusion 42 is hosting the Raise Summit this week from June 3rd through 5th. It consists of online and in-person events and will be helping founders figure out the different options for acquiring capital. Check out the notes of the registration link if you're interested. Also, Startup NV is hosting their Pitch Day for 500K events every other week. The next two are on June 4th this week and June 18th at Woven Workspace. If you want to attend or apply to pitch, check out the Startup NV website for more info. As usual, link is in the notes. Downtown Tech Alley is back on June 21st at Taverna Costera in downtown Las Vegas. Come on down for networking, tech talks, and free coffee and lunch for registered participants, so make sure you get registered with the link in the notes. And we're not done with Startup Vegas either. Their next Link Up coworking event will be on June 25th at WeWork Town Square. Link is in the notes. You guessed it. As the U.S. economy is reshaped and more companies are focused on bringing back their manufacturing to the United States, AAA20 founder Marcus Kudel is helping the transition with his robotics. In this clip from the Leader's Mindset podcast, Marcus tells us about why he is focused on palletizer robots and the huge opportunity they provide.
For now, we are very focused on palletizing because, believe it or not, US is so behind in automation compared to Germany, Japan, or even China. When you check robots per capita, American manufacturing is so behind for a strategy designed many decades ago about offshoring everything. Now they're considering reshoring, right? And then you don't have people and you don't have robots. So we are really focused on palletizing for now because it's a huge opportunity. It's a market of $5 billion globally.
If you want to learn more about Marcus and his robots, check out the whole interview. Link is in the notes. That's all for this week. As we talked about, links for everything are in the episode description. If I missed something, please let me know and we'll get it to you. If you've got news or events you'd like us to cover next week, or we missed your event, drop a comment, slide into my DMs. I do not mind. Drop me an email at info@leducleadership.com and we will get you into the mix next week. Hope to see you out there in the community. Get out there, do great things today. Onward and upward.